Hi, I'm Lynn Stone. I'm the author of Spelling for Life. Spelling for Life is a book. It was originally written for teachers, but I'm getting a lot of inquiries from parents about how to support their children with their spelling. And so this year I'm launching Spelling for Life for parents. There will be 3 workshops coming up in the next couple of months in Victoria, and we're looking to expand those workshops all over Australia. To give you a taste of what to expect during those workshops, I'm going to take a set of words, a word family, and I'll be teaching all the spelling words in the program in the context of families. And I'm going to show you how an approach to spelling these words might help your child. The word we're going to look at today is the word said. It's a very, very common word. You see it in narratives all the time, and it's difficult to spell. At the phonetic level, children will spell said like this, because that says said. And that's what goes into their memory, and that's what they write when they're writing narratives and so on. How do we then input that difficult spelling pattern so that it's learned quickly and easily and not forgotten? Well, what we need to do is go back to the family that said belongs to. I'll show you what I mean. Said is the past tense of say. Now, say is fairly easy to spell. It contains s and the 2-letter phonogram a. This is 2-letter A that you may use at the end of a word. There's another 2-letter A. Do you know what it is? It's this one. That's another way to write A. This is 2-letter A that you may not use at the end of a word. The reason you can't use it at the end of a word is because the letter I is not allowed at the end of English words. It's what I call an illegal letter. The A sound in say is at the end of the word, and so we use the 2-letter A that can be at the end. When you put say into the past tense, it's like you're writing said. And in fact, in some accents of English, we still say said. There are some regions in Scotland where people say said, not said. However, spelling, sometimes the speaking and the spelling don't catch up with one another, and so there are slight variations. But this is the mechanism behind that variation. We've added a suffix. This is the past tense suffix ed. Therefore, the A sound is no longer at the end of the word. Therefore, we can do something with this word. I call it the return of illegal I. The Y that was previously here can go away, and illegal I, which wasn't allowed before, can come back. But that's one too many vowels in a row. 1, 2, 3. And we don't like 3 vowels in a row in English. We tend to have them in clusters of 2. So what we did was we took away the E. And that is how said was invented. This also happens with 2 other words that keep the A sound. Those words are lay and laid. Can you think of the other one? It's pay and paid. Once I've taught these 3 words and their past tense forms, I get my students to practice them. They say them 2 ways. First for spelling, then for reading. For spelling, S-A. For reading, say. For spelling, S-A-D. For reading, said. For spelling, L-A. For reading, lay. For spelling, L-A-D. For reading, laid. For spelling, P-A. For reading, pay. For spelling, A D for reading, paid. You can find out more about Spelling for Life for Parents on my website. This month, February 2018, I'm going to be at Bentley West Primary School. I'm going to be at Mount Eliza Primary School. And I'm going up to Albury to do some Spelling for Life up there for parents and for teachers. All the dates are on the website. The cost of the 3-hour spelling seminar for parents is $95. All the details are on the website. Why not come along and learn some more of these words and how to teach them?